Ball game, Red. Ball game.
Oo. Hindi na kami magkakagat. Parang
Kawan-dawan na.
Asa din.
Red. Ball game, Red. Ball game. First position of San Miguel.
Coach ka.
It's let's ball and let's.
Wago tao na eh.
Now John. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no John. 3-0. Yusef.
Sino ang pangalan?
Ilagay naman puti.
Telikod ka na.
Again Yusef. 14 to shoot. 10. It's troubling violation on San Miguel Beerman. Turnover.
Kristo. Ang walang good.
It's 2-0 or score 2-0. Moving on. It's foul. Foul on number 21. On NLX Ruby Warriors. First personal foul on Marcos. First team foul on NLX. Now it's Saya drive. Bang! Out.
Bang.
Foul on number 12 on NLX. Set first team foul on number 12. Second team foul on NLX. 2-0 our score. Still NLX by 2.
Ziyad David.
Last draw on Siad.
Baka umini lang. Ayun, tanong. Luis. Ayun, tsunami. Baka umini lang.
Oh, 0-2 coming from Siad. Now Tantan to Ochon. Big. Ocho now. Pass to it's troubling violation. Troubling. Back to back turnover on NLX. 7 minutes. Our score is still 2-0. NLX up by 2. It's foul. Who's fouled? Foul on number 23. On Andre. Third team foul on NLX. First personal foul on Andre. Nice fake. 10 shoot. 5. Nice defense on NLX. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Just first quarter, our last game. Or our opening night. Os Armos. Internally. Again, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Jollibee, McDonald's, Mang Inasal, and Chicks to Go. Time out! On NLX.
Left! Yung kay Ochon, 3 or 2? 2 lang? 2 lang, di ba? At 3 lagi. 3 lagi ko. Ay, sabi sinabi niyo, reklamo mo ni siya.
Back to the ball game, back to the ball game.
Simula lang. Bakit simula? 5 minutes, wala pa sa sila there.
Siyan! Relax! Relax!
5 minutes and 40 seconds. Nice move. Speed. Nice miscommunication on Enlex.
Bring the ball! Bring the ball! Amin! Screen!
It's a red ball. Ochon. 5 minutes. Too strong.
Why you playing? Look!
Loose ball, loose ball.
Garrett!
Got it.
Why you take?
Ochon. 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, nice.
Block! Wala block. Whoa! Wala mo na 5-0
Garrett, that's
score.
yours! That's
A
yours!
5-0 run coming from Enlex. Yusef. Backing violation in Yusef. Backing violation. Again, back-to-back turnover on San Miguel. Beerman.
Defense, defense!
Cantan to Ochon. Spade. Ochon. Elbow jump. Bang! Money! Ochon! Steal again on Enlex. Foul. Foul number 12 on Enlex. Warning for penalty on Enlex. First on number 12 on Tantan. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. First quarter. Our last game. Got it. 10 seconds to shoot. Air ball. High. 24 shot clock violation. 3 minutes or many time. 3 minutes. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Still our score. 7 against 0. All by Enlex. Baba Yusef. Now Yusef all alone, coast to coast is foul. Foul on number 8 on Ocho. Now Enlex on penalty. Penalty. First personal foul on Ocho. Two free throw shot coming from Yusef. Now 7-1. 6-point lead on Enlex. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. It's just our first quarter. It's 7-2. Enlex up by 5. Ochon. Short. Rebound by Yusef. 2 minutes. Block. By Tantan. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Nice move. Nice move. Crossover by. 10 seconds to shoot. One minute. Use it. $55 seconds. $45 seconds. 40. Short. Rebound top. Now starting to be now. Rolling. Use it. 30 seconds. $20.
Nice!
Foul.
Romir.
All on numbers 11, 7, 11. 8 seconds.
Sian, the other side. Basketballista Mike. You follow, ha? You follow. Basketballista Mike on Facebook. Go, push! Bigay!
And now our first quarter score 7 against 2. All by Alex.
Seven, two. Isa seven. Seven. And Lex.
Second quarter, second quarter.
Bola niyo, bola! White ball, white ball!
Asa?
Ay, hindi, bakit nagpag-change na?
Short. It's Alex ball, Alex. Our score still 7 against 2. 5-point lead on Alex. Traveling violation is traveling violation. Sabi ito sunod?
Ball, change ball.
Oh, chase ball, chase ball. Rep, chase ball. We will change the ball to volleyball.
Ina sila yung kikong kabili. May alam sa may ikon. May pon.
Defense, defense! Nice!
It's foul! Basket count! On number 7. All number 21. Nice shot by Garrett. It's now 4 against 7. 3-point lead on Nellets. Eight minutes. Bonus free throw on Garrett. Yes, now 5-7. Only 2-point lead now, and let's. Short air ball. Now got it.
Pass the ball, run the ball.
Dapat dito pa rin sila.
Oh,
Nice! Go back to the toe! Foul.
it's foul.
Sa Blair.
Foul on number 7.
Taron? Taron naka-foul?
On
Taron or...
Taron.
Garrett?
It's got it. Person got it. Bang! Now 9-5. It's a 4-point lead back to Nellets. Channel. Got it. Too strong. Rebound again by San Miguel.
Ayos, nilabot. Ay, Anan.
5 minutes and 25 seconds. Second quarter. Last game. Timeout on Nellets. Back to the ball game.
Talaman mo na sila sa ilang kuwan.
Blair.
Devin.
Devin. 10 seconds to shoot. It's same ball. Endless ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Blair.
Ay,
It's foul. Foul on number 9 of San Miguel. Now second team foul on San Miguel. Foul on number 9.
okay. Ganto ba ka doon? Glasses. Oo, kaila. Sarado.
Sarado?
In and out. Chara. Time to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Got it! Char, go! Pass!
Nice!
Nice, pass up!
Move stop!
5.
Go! Take the ball, Anan!
3 minutes. It's foul. Foul on COG. On Blair. Person Blair. First team foul and next. Blair. Foul. Foul on number 7 is 13 foul on San Miguel. First personal foul on Garrete.
Why 3 of you, number 7? Favorite number, number 7?
Got it. Time to shoot. Escape on Garrett. Now 7 against 9. 1 minute and 39 seconds. Only 2-point win by NLEX Road Warriors.
9-7 na.
Jump ball. NLEX ball. NLEX. Red ball, Red Bull.
Nag-change court kasi kaya nalito. Dapat dito nila yung red eh.
50 seconds. 45. Traveling violation on number 7. Seconds. It's foul.
Hello. Tagbong ko news. Okay, klaro? Okay, klaro. Hindi ko takang tunga. Kaya nakapay pa tayo dito.
Ito kumitit ko, tanari ko, ang biyaan dito. Ito na,
Dapat lang
galgudin
eh.
ko dito. Ito, galgudin ko dito. Karang tayo niyo.
Ito din, non-sir dito.
Wala naman, sir.
Ayun,
Wala
non-sir
na
rice.
klasa mo. Kaya yung nakita ako ito.
Paboring sa Dajoy.
Tama. Sipintap ka na ko, tipo na yun. Pero nang bigyan dito, 300, ano, malingkot ako. Dire, lingkod ko, ano, sir. Nata ko, G's na katiyan. Maluoy.
Hindi na naman magsapatos ba? Kasi sige, magkapan yung liston.
9 seconds. Ah, it's there. 10-7. 5. And up our second quarter score. 10 against 7. NLEX. Third quarter ready, tied up. Third quarter.
Fourth quarter na. Fourth quarter na, ipasok pa 5 minutes. So, 10-7 pa na ako. Bulabol pa mo. Price to state pa.
Third quarter, San Miguel ball, San Miguel.
And still, you're watching live on the Facebook page of Basketballista Mike. Lawrence Santos Rod.
Happy birthday.
Score? Come. What's your team? You're not 11, you're San Miguel.
Lah. Anong corner na po yan?
Court.
Lah.
Hindi, 17-10. Ha? Alam mo ba hindi?
Di yan mabiro pa yan.
Now, Ochon.
Yan, di yan mabiro.
Tantan.
Doon kayo. Layak kayo.
Rebound on San Miguel. Nice ball. Now 9-10, only 1 point lead on Emirates. Ochon. Tantan. It's foul. All on 0-0. First, in foul on San Miguel. First personal foul on 0-0. Inbound, Alex.
0-0 pa na, wala yung jersey. Ay, wala yung number.
Ochon, time to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh! Marcos now 13-10, 13-9. Back to 4-point lead on Alex. Foul. All on number 23 on Tyler Gapoy. First personal foul on Andre. Escape. 0-0. Down. Short. It's a white ball. Same ball. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. 14 minutes at 14.
Nice! Sian, how you catch the ball?
Talay mo.
Si Talay.
Short.
Lamat eh.
Same ball. Same ball. 6 minutes and 57 seconds. 13-9. 4-point lead Alex. Ochon Bay. Drive. It's foul. All on number 7. All on number 7 on Alex Garrett. Second personal foul on Garrett. Second team foul on San Miguel. Now Ochon. Short. Rebound. Fight to shoot. Black. Oh, again. Rebound again on Alex. Now Ochon. Then to shoot. It's foul. Foul number 8 on Yusef. Third team foul on San Miguel. First personal foul on Yusef. 6 minutes. Third quarter. Last game. NLEX versus San Miguel. For our Coach Amos internally. Season 1. Now shot. Then to shoot. Blocked by Yusef. Rebound again on San Miguel. Now San Miguel running. It's kickball. Kickball. 24 is the clock for 24. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 13 against 10. Turnover. Timeout. On San Miguel Virgen. It's 30-10. 5 minutes and 31 seconds. Third quarter. Last game for our Coach Amos Basketball League Season 1. And again, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Jollibee, McDonald's, Chooks to Go, and Coach Amos Fundamentals. 5 minutes and 31 seconds. 13-10. San Miguel Beermen down by 3. And let's Warriors up by 3. Now, Chon. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, no, Chon! 16-10. Got it. 32. Now, Sayed. Got it. Hey, got it right. Got it. In and out. Rebound again on San Miguel Beermen. 14 seconds. 5 minutes. Sayed got it by nice. Got it again. Hey, looking for Sayed. Sayed is. 3-second violation on the Beermen. 4 minutes and 50. Only 6-point lead by NLEX, 16 against 10. Now you use Ochon. Tantan, right. Tantan, take is foul. Foul again on number 7 on San Miguel Beermen on Garrett. Third personal foul on Garrett. Warning for penalty on San Miguel Beermen. Now San Miguel Beermen in warning for penalty. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Third quarter. Now our first game, Houston versus Reynolds Shine. Our second game was Meralco Bolts against Barangay Ginebra. And NLEX versus San Miguel Beermen. It's foul!
Again, rep, tagay 7 sila, isang 7 lang dyan sa loob.
Now Garrett, fourth foul on number 7 on Garrett. Warning on Garrett. Now San Miguel Beermen, penalty. Now overlap, 4 minutes and 30 seconds, 17 against 10. Two Pedro Sarpeta and short.
Hey. You stay there.
Each one out of two coming from Tantan, 18-10. It's an 8-point lead on the next. Now Yusef. Sayed, drive. Sayed got it by 3, so that's foul. Foul on number 3 on Philip, King Philip, first on King Philip. First team foul on the next 4 minutes. Got it. 10 to shoot. It's traveling violation on San Miguel. Nice defense. Time out. On NLEX Sword Warriors.
Small na good. Small.
Medium.
Back to the ball game, rep. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 18 against 10. And let's 8 by 8.
Hey, Arbol. Arbol.
It's red ball.
You play the game, you remove this one because this one insane. Just remove this one, maybe like this. Then.
Yes, got it.
3 minutes and 49 seconds. It's jump ball. It's San Miguel ball. San Miguel. It's white ball. White ball. Anan.
Keep driving.
Tarum, 0-0. 10 seconds to shoot, 10 seconds. Too strong. Rebound again on. It's simple. Oh, it's red ball. Red. 3 minutes remaining time. 3 minutes.
Now fine.
Tender round.
Huh?
Tender round.
What?
Tender round. Tender round.
Then ano?
Oh, intercepted. Blair. He's still now 1-1 run. Traveling violation, traveling violation number 7. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, third quarter. Still our score, 18. Against World Warriors, up by 8. Blair, like Blair. It's endless ball, endless ball. 2 minutes. And we'd like to thank all parents that are here for support. Blair, 10 shoot. Foul on number 9 on Garden. Now San Miguel on penalty red. Over the limits. 2 free throw shot. Penalty there, penalty. 2 free throw shot for Blair. Remaining time, 1 minute and 42 seconds, third quarter. 18 against 10. Now 19 against 10. 9-point lead now on the red shirts. Nice, 2 out of 2 coming from Blair. 20 against 10. 10-point lead now on NLEX. Taron. 35. Taron, too strong, top, rebound. Shot. Rebound on NLEX. Dian. Nice, still on Taron. Taron drive, 1-1, Taron. Escape, goes to go, stop up. Looking for 0-0. 0-0 man. Short. Devin.
Char!
Now Devin now. Right that dribble, right forward that Devin. Back to Blair. Blair again, stop up. Blair. Too strong by Blair. 30 seconds. Out. Still by Blair. Blair again now. Blair, 1 of 3. Blair escapes. Stop Blair. Same ball. 22 seconds. 22.
Blair.
Nakapapit naman ba yun? Walang palita.
Stop. Blair. 15 seconds. Black. Foul. Foul on 0-0. Penalty red. Second personal foul.
Penalty.
Saya pilih na 0-0. Saya pilih doon para ma-pension ang pangalan. 0-0 ulit.
0-0? Amin.
Amin.
Third personal foul on Amin. Now San Miguel over the limit penalty. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Rebound on Taron. 5 seconds. And now for third quarter score, 20 NLEX, 10 on San Miguel Beer. Man.
Up.
Labang mo.
Sleep.
Can I keep it here? I can't keep it here. Mention.
Power na niya. Wala. Bugiro kay kadod sa...
Una na digit. I'm playing now.
You're not playing?
No.
Maybe you play after that. Just after the game, just take this one, ha?
Last quarter. San Miguel Vivo, San Miguel, red ball, white ball. Defense on red, white ball. White ball. Last quarter. This is our last game. Last quarter. NLEX versus San Miguel Beer. Nice move. Wow. All on number 24 on NLEX. All on Bian. First personal foul on Bian. First on NLEX.
Last na yan, fourth quarter na. Take 5 minutes sila.
Two free throw shot from Garrett. Short.
Got it. Push the ball.
Rebound. It's a ball. Same ball. 40 to shoot. Taron. It's Pilar. Very small guy. Now rebound is nice by Garen. It's Garrett. Garrett by Garen. Garrett. All on number 9 on NLEX now. Second team foul on NLEX. Substitution up. Substitution. Basti out.
Got it. From here.
Sabrat. Adriana in. Basti out. Bonus free throw from Garrett. 8 minutes.
Next one. Take your time.
It's 0 out to 2 coming from Garrett. Blair now, Blair. 3 on 1 out 4. Blair is still one. Rebound Adriana. Adriana now looking for a pass. Nice steal by Garrett. Garrett now. You still on Devin. Now Devin goes to go. Devin! Shot. Same ball. It's NLEX ball. NLEX. Block again by Garrett. 5 to shoot. It's a white ball. As the referee decision, white ball. Still our score, 20 against 10. He's still on the church. Jump ball. Red ball.
Sikat tayo dito. Dito ka sa champion.
6 minutes and 20. Stop. It's foul. Who's fouled up? Foul on number 9 on Garen. First team foul on San Miguel. First personal foul on Garen. 2 free throw shot coming from Sak. Oh! What a shot from Sak. Now, new shoes for Sak right now. New shoes. 21-10. Short. Only one pair of shoes by Zach. Now, Sharon, run. Steal. Shot again. Steal the shot again. Blair. Now, Blair looking for the shoes. Blair. 5 minutes and 10. Blair again. Blair now, it's Devin. Devin now, is foul. Foul number 2. Time out. On Sanli Aldirman. It's second team foul. Sa time out. Time out.
Kasama na kanan.
Sige lang. Sige lang, sila. Bawa lang. Paprito lang.
Devin, retro.
Patirahin mo na, sir. Patirahin mo na. Patirahin mo na. 2 free throw. 2 free throw shot from Kevin. Devin. First free throw shot for shoes. Good.
Halo din sapatos ko ta ah. Mali ko sapatos. Alam mo mama.
One more, Devin. One more, Devin. Sir, bigay mo na, sir. Para kasi sa lahat.
Kabak.
Hindi mapas sa tuko lang. Gawa siya na oras na. Ito na oras na. 5 minutes na naman siya. 5 minutes. Pero 5 minutes pa tayo. Yun na siya. Pero wala siya pero tayo. Reading siya dapat. Before 5 siguro. Hindi natin makuha.
Dapat 4 sugod na.
Kaya ka na. Or, yung ating mas kung pangabara.
Today?
Diba?
Still now by Tantan. It's foul. As I start by Marcos. Basket count and won by Marcos. 23-10. Who's foul rep? All on number 7. Now 24-10. It's a 14-point lead on NLEX. Thank you for our viewers here. The Thunder Boy is involved in the Thunder Boy. Marcos to Tantan. 4 minutes. Wow. Foul on 0-0 on Amin. Third team foul on Amin. Third personal foul on Amin. Second team foul on San Miguel. 3 minutes and 55 seconds last quarter. 24 against 10. It's traveling violation on Thunder Boy now is in the house. Thunder Boy. Andre. Pass to Ochon. The main man, Ochon, running, gunning. Main man now, Ochon. Short. It's white ball. 24-10, still 14-point lead. It's red ball. 14 to shoot. Ochon, the main man. Tantan. Philip. Wow, alam mo ba, Philip? Philip again. Philip, 22. Kick out pass. Now Ochon, big. Ochon now, yo-yo move. Bang! Money, Ochon. 26-10. Now 16-point lead on NLEX. Use it. Now Sayad. Sayad now is strong with foul. All on number 2 on NLEX. 30 foul on NLEX. 27 seconds, 2 minutes and 27 seconds, 26 to 10. 2 free throw shots by Sayad. The short.
Tomorrow.
And the rebound was Sayad. Again out by Sayad. Now John the no! It's turnover on the main man, the money man. John, 2 minutes and 15. And we'd like to thank all our parents who are coming here to witness our first basketball league. Oh, got it! Now 12 to 26. 14-point lead now, NLEX. 1 minute and 50 seconds. For our fourth quarter, last quarter, Ochon. There's the daddy Ochon at the side corner pocket. Too strong, rebound, blocked by Sayad. Now again, it's Talcan hook shot, in and out. Rebound on Chan Miguel Bierman. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Steal by steal. Use it. It's the red ball, red ball. You can...
Ba, doha ka bulay gamiton eh, mong ilog.
1 minute and 28. Ochon. 26 to 12. 14-point lead on red shirts. Now 5 to shoot. 24 shot clock violation. 24. Turnover on NLEX. Road Warriors 26 to 12. NLEX 5-14. Now Yusef. Amin. It's fucking violation on San Miguel Bierman. Turnover on San Miguel Bierman. 1 minute. Ochon. King Philip. Too strong. Rebound by Tantan. Blocked by Sayad. Tantan again. Nice. Good at Tantan again. Blocked again by Sayad. Now Amin. Amin.
Foul!
Foul.
Hindi, no?
25 seconds. 20. 15.
Mura dito, 12 station. 12 station, 600.
10 seconds.
O parang 5. 12 station na yun. Mura dito.
5. And our game, our winner, NLEX Road Warriors, is 26 against Rome.
Ryan. Ryan, Ryan.